What are you doing? Why, bro? You said where you gonna go to buy my stuff?
I don't know. What are your stuff? Go check it.
You said the hard drive or whatever they call it?
I don't know what's a hard drive.
Ask someone.
No, I know that. What is that? Come here.
I am.
Come here.
Didn't you say you were gonna buy the PlayStation 5?
No, I don't like PlayStation.
Well, you said you were.
They have hard drive right here. What do you want the hard drive for?
Playing stuff. Where?
Right here.
I don't even know what the heck. Oh, hard drive. I don't know what that.
Come here. Come here.
Most I like the pretty simple one. This one? Yeah. So it would have like a lead, a feeding of paper.
Oh, this is a gaming. Oh, okay. This is gaming. This is gaming. This is a gaming one. This is a gaming one. Where is it, Uncle? Where's it? You said you know where it is.
I know.
Where is it then?
I know.
Where is it then?
I'll show you later.
No, show me another. Show me now. Where?
Wait. I said wait.
Oh,
You see the monitor right here.
Oh, this one's good. Look at this one. This one's big. Where are you supposed to get on?
How much this one?
Oh, this one?
No,
I think
this one.
Oh, that one?
Oh my god, over $1,599.
That one's $5 million. And this is a gaming one too.
Right here.
You see, look at this PC. This.
I know. How much? This one.
Over $1,000.
Hell.
Oh my gosh, look at this curve.
Look at here. Mine is here. See, 349. Yeah.
This curve.
Yeah.
Not to use it in refresh rate, but it's a good resolution. So 1080p with UHD.
I have. I see the other one cheaper. Here. Come here.
Cheaper what? What, cheaper PC?
349.
Where?
This one. How much?
1,500.
Oh my god, very expensive. Let me check this one.
96. Uncle. 96.
No. Check this one. Oh, we have it here. You can take this one.
Why?
You want it?
How much is it?
$349.
Does it actually work?
Yeah.
So this is like, what can you do with it? Like, All the cables and stuff?
Yeah.
Does it have a hard drive?
Yeah.
Already did?
You
Okay,
want
I'll
it?
take this one.
No. They have a package. Put it back. That's display.
How about this one?
No, that one is expensive.
No, look at this one.
Here, over 600.
You turn it on. Look at.
I'm looking for the cheaper one. Do you want it or not?
Yes.
This one. You want it or not?
This one?
This one. Only this one.
Oh. How much is this one? Only 100. See, 100.
This monitor.
I'll take the monitor.
What?
Only $100, right?
But you have this one, but you don't have a hard drive. How you gonna do that?
I take.
You have the monitor already. I said.
Look at this one's cheaper too. Look,
I know.
$399.
$399.
Oh, never mind. This one's cheaper. Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it.
They have everything here. You see?
Hard drive's already in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Go to talk.
Huh?
No. This one for only display. You don't
What do you
know.
mean, bro? I'll take this one.
No, you can't take this one. Display. You know display.
So how am I supposed to show them?
If you want it, I can order it here. From here, they have it.
So they're gonna.
You gotta talk
it's
to the
gonna-
cashier.
So it's gonna come like.
No.
Right now?
Get right now.
Oh, get right now.
Yeah.
All right. And then I'm gonna get the other thing too.
What? You don't need that.
I
Keyboard?
do, yeah, keyboard.
They have everything.
No, the keyboard. The keyboard.
You don't have it?
You know, I don't have it.
Where do you get it?
What?
You gotta check it, the keyboard.
It's over there. Keyboard's over there.
Wait, keyboard here.
Oh my god. Keyboard, then it's cheaper.
Where?
Really, over
Let me
there
see, let me
cheaper.
go see.
It's this guy, Acer. Acer? Yeah.
This is the same thing? I thought you have keyboard already.
No, it's broken, remember?
I know, but it's supposed to be like everything the same.
No, remember it's broken? We can take this
How
one or
much?
this one.
I can't afford here. Over $100.
I took it from here. Oh,
Same thing.
hold on.
Here, there's a lot here.
This one, $60. 60.
Get the cheaper one.
This is the cheapest one. $60. Oh yeah, $60. Cheapest one. 60.
Maybe like $10, something like that.
There's no keyboard that's cost like $10. $10 only like Temu. We don't have Temu. Alright, just come on. Let's take this one. Let's take this one.
Oh.
It's like what's it called? Wireless too. Come on.
Here, cheaper one here.
Where?
Here, down here.
Over there.
It's not cheap.
Nah, 59. This one 59 too. This one $100 for just a little one.
Okay. Check out here.
Oh, you're talking about this one? Oh yeah, we should get this one.
No,
That's good. Yeah.
it's more expensive.
No. $100. See? 100.
Oh, 1,000.
Over 1,000.
You don't have keyboard? I thought you had
No.
keyboard, right?
It's broken. It's broken. I broke the key.
Come here.
I tripped over it and I broke the key. Oh, frick. Uncle.
Hmm?
Oh. Uncle, come on.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
If you want, you go ask him. Here.
What? What?
Come here.
Is it okay?
Yeah. How much this one? Actually, $349.
Yeah, $349.
Do we have everything with a keyboard with that one? Keyboard. Oh no,
It does come with a keyboard and mouse.
oh, you come with the keyboard with the mouse. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Put this one back.
Okay.
Then we need to take this one.
That one I actually don't have right now.
Oh, we don't have it right now.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
They don't have it right now.
Oh, so we have to buy the expensive one, yeah?
No, I can't do that. What about this one?
$299.
Or here, this one. Oh, this one. This one's good, better. Uncle,
Lenovo.
I beg you for this one. This one's luxury and good.
$649.
That's crazy.
No, I'm not using yours.
Yeah?
I have to order one of those. I have to order them.
Damn.
So yeah, we gotta take this one, right?
No. How much this one?
Oh,
That one is
bet.
for almost $6.
Oh my god. No way.
Alright, bet, let's take this one.
I need something like $200, $300, something like that.
200, 300.
Yeah. Something like that.
Most maybe like Chromebook. That would be it.
Shit.
Chromebook? Chromebook, Uncle?
I was looking for out there.
This one, Uncle. Wait,
Dell, this one, Dell.
this one?
Yeah, Dell.
You gonna take this one? Okay, this one's kind of good.
This one, how much? $499.
Literally says right there.
Damn. Keyboard, everything comes.
Go with the keyboard and everything. Yeah.
Monitor.
Monitor, no.
No.
You gotta buy it separately.
We already got a monitor.
See.
Oh, this monitor is so good. Okay, the bottom. Oh, it's touchscreen.
I think we come back next time.
Oh my god.
Because very expensive. They don't have it here.
Just how do they check with these and see if they could do it like
All right, we'll come back next time, okay?
Cool. Come on.
Very expensive, so you put that one back.
Yeah, put this one back. Come on.
I know. We come back later. Come on, let's go. Put that one back right there. I promise, yeah, if they have it, I will come back. Let's go. You don't have enough money, what? What are you gonna buy? How are you gonna buy
You
this?
said you were gonna buy something over there.
I said, they have the cheaper one, they don't have it here in the store. So we might come back next time.
Well, yeah, but that is cheaper.
That
is cheaper.
Which one? $500. If we
No,
buy
not
it,
that.
it's gonna be like almost $600 plus tax. So I wanna buy something like $300.
You said hard drive, not monitor.
I know hard drive is very expensive. Monitor is a little bit cheaper.
$100.
Hell,
$200.
you don't hear what he said?
That's
We come back next time, okay? I promise we come back next time. Let's go. Don't do like that. We can go to another Best Buy. Check it. Which Best Buy we have it? Check the Best Buy, please. Alright, guys. Today we come to look for the computer hard drive. We couldn't find the one that we're looking for, so probably we might come back next time. Alright guys, if you guys like our video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can share or like anytime. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video.
Here, this one. This one.